What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the mythical Pokemon, Zarude. Now we're going to get started by drawing the muzzle in the center of our page. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to add a curve going up and then bend that back down on the right side. Now from the ends we're going to curve down and up in the middle. So let's start on the left. Come down and bend that up. Come down towards the right and then back up. Now move to the inside and add the nostrils. We're going to start on the left, curve up and out with a short line, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add a bridge across the top of the muzzle, starting back on the left, curve up, and then bend that back down. Let's go down to the bottom and add two large fangs. Starting on the left, just going to bend this down and in, and we'll just taper that back up underneath the muzzle. Add two small teeth on the inside, coming down with a straight line, and then back up. Let's move up to the sides and draw in the eyes. We're going to start on the left, curve up, and then bend that out, line this up on the right, go up towards the same height. And I'll bring the eyes coming down and then back in towards the side. Come down, round out the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Now I'm going to tuck the iris and pupil underneath the eyelid. We're going to start on the left, draw a half circle, going around, and then in, line this up on the right. And then in the center of the iris, we're going to draw a small black dot. Let's go in between the eyes and add a curve, starting on the left, go up and then down, and then we'll trace the eyes along the outside. Starting back on the left, go up and then out, and then we'll trace out the bottom. Coming around, down, and then in. Now we're going to move out and draw on the top of the head. Move to the center, step up, start with a point. Then from here we're going to curve up and then down on the left, go back to the center and do the same thing. Going up and then down. I'm just going to round this out and then pull that back up. And around and then up. Let's round out the tip. Starting back on the left, round this out, come down and then in. Now we're going to start to layer the side of the head coming back in. Let's start back on the left, step out, curve out, down, and then in. And then we'll do that again. Stepping out, go out, down, and in. Let's add one more along the bottom. Stepping out, go out, and then in just beside the eye. And I'll pull the fur coming down along the side. Starting back on the left, go out and then down. And we'll taper that back in with a short line. Let's add another point. Starting back on the left, come down and hook that in. And we'll taper that back up and in. Now before we go any further, let's move up and close off the top of the head. We're going to start over on the left. Just going to curve this up and then back down. Let's bring the fur coming down towards the center of the body. Starting back on the left, come down and in. Go up and in with a short line. And we'll pull this down and in towards the center. Come down and then just bend that in. Let's move out and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to curve the body coming in and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right. Come in and then down towards the same height. And then from the hips, draw a short angle line coming down and in. And we'll pull that up and in towards the center. Now we're going to add some detail inside the body. From the center, we're going to step down, start with a point. From here, we're going to curve out and up towards the left, and then the right. Let's taper that back in. And come down, and then in. And then from here, we're going to curve out and up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. I'm going to follow that same curve, coming in. And then from here, we're going to curve down and out towards the side. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's move to the center, start with a straight line going across. And then from the ends, we're just going to curve this up and out, aiming towards the hips. Let's go back to the inside, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the inside of the knee. And we'll curve the leg coming in and then down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw on the first toe. From the heel, we're going to curve down, up, round out the toe, and then hook that back in. And then we'll layer 2 longer toes along the outside. Starting from the tip, curve out and then down, round out the toe, go up, and then that in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Going out and down, rounding out the toe, coming in towards the top. And then we'll add one more. Starting from the tip, just going to round this out, go up, and bend that in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the knee. And then from here, we're going to curve the leg coming down and then in toward the top of the last toe. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side. We step down, curve the arm going out and then down. Line this up on the right. Just going to do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the arm. Starting back on the left, come down and then up. Let's draw the outside of the arm. We start back on the outside. Just going to curve this up and in to right about there. And then we'll add those large spikes. Starting back on the left, curve out and then up, come down and then in. Let's add one more spike. Starting back on the left, go out and then up. I'm just going to pull this down and in towards the side of the head. Let's add 4 large rings around the forearm. Starting from the outside, just going to bend this out, come in, and just pull that back out towards the inside of the arm. And then we'll layer 3 more underneath. Starting on the outside, go out, across the middle, and back in. Do that 2 more times. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to add those hands underneath those rings. Starting from the inside, draw a half circle. Coming in and then back out. And we'll close out the end with a bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, bend that up around the bracket, step down, and up. And then the 3rd finger, we go down, up, and then in underneath those rings. Now I'm going to go back down and add those 2 spikes coming out from the heel. Let's start on the left, come in and up, come down, and then out. Let's line this up on the right. And it'll draw the tail coming out from underneath the body across towards the left side. We'll start on the inside edge on the right, come down, send that out in behind the left leg, move over, curve out, and then up underneath the hand. And it'll curl the tail coming back in. Let's start from the inside of the forearm, come in and up, out, and then down. We'll add one more point. Coming in and then down. We're just going to work our way back around underneath the body. Going out, down, in behind the leg. Let's line this up on the right side and go up underneath the body. And the last thing we're going to do is close off the bottom of the chin. We'll start on the inside edge of the left tooth, curve down, and then back up. And that's pretty much it. There's Zarude from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.